Which is organic, but in a sense that can be used in different ways. And the rug is are pieces of the islands too. Then they complete the archipelago. They came out these two little tables.
Turning something that brings fortune. And I thought I can make pale jewel in another material.
Decide to continue the line. That's why everybody will need to have things which take no space. That's why folding, but with the elegance, which is Wednesday, and we add the proof of our intuition. It's the number one in the world. It's a huge success.